Namaste, my name is eczema. I'm International Meditation Master. Today I want to speak about the Miracles of Castor Oil. Castor oil has been used for thousands of years for skin, hair and nail problems, constipation, inflammations. As a kid we used it for constipation. It works very fast and you run to the toilet and okay. We use only cold pressed 100% virgin castor oil with no chemicals inside. Okay, they are more expensive and I'm happy that we produce now in Thailand our own virgin castor oil. So it's very cheap. So I've used castor oil mixed with pure soda powder. You find it for baking to remove warts, molds and eczema. You need to do this at least for several weeks, several times per day. And it worked where no other remedy worked. Just a miracle. It was just a miracle. And I've tried so many things for eczema and for the warts. Yes. Then for better eyesight, for 1 month before you go into your bed, drop 1 drop of castor oil in your eyes. Ask before doing so your doctor. Okay. And then I read it is also good for our skin, specifically our face, to reduce wrinkles, brown spots, pimples, acne, dandruff, rashes. I tried this out, guess it worked. So I've tried it out now for over 1 month and so on. And yes. For skin, I mixed I mixture it with DMSO, 70% castor oil and 30% DMSO. You can look up DMSO. DMSO is natural and you find it in wood and so on. And it is very good for the skin. And it is used in so many applications, even for heart transplantation and so on. So, and it's so damn cheap. So in cosmetic articles you find it. With DMSO, the castor oil can be absorbed into the cells and is much easier and faster to absorb from the skin. First, wash your skin, otherwise other substances on your skin can also be absorbed into your cells, and that we don't want. Castor oil pure or with other coconut or almond oil can be used for cleaning the skin. For hair growing, I didn't try it out. Mix it with other oils and then rub it in your scalp. Let it soak into the skin for at least a half hour once per week. Then castor oil for hydrating your skin and cracked heels. If you get in the summertime skin cracked at your heels, then rub castor oil on your feet and wear socks all the time. That is important. Minimizing the appearance of scars when you apply it for your wound healing. Treating ringworm on your skin, yes, it kills ringworm. Fight toenail fungus. So to treat toenail fungus, soak your feet in warm water and Epsom salt for 5 minutes. Follow the soak by liberally applying castor oil to the affected toenail. Then relieve sunburn. With the same cooling sensation as aloe, castor oil is great for alleviating painful sunburns. Ricinoleic acid will protect any blisters that pop up from becoming infected and reduce the inflammation associated with sunburns. Okay, I didn't know it before. Next time I will try it out. Thank you that I could speak about this, and bye.